recent videos that I travelled to India, Punjab for the holidays. So today I'm actually going back to the UK. So come with me, guys. By the way, my cab's coming in like 5 hours, so I'm gonna record. Come with me.
If I could just ask you all to...
Hi guys, as you can see we're on the plane now, and yeah, like I feel like so many people are watching me, but it's fine. Like I'm gonna do what I want to do. So yeah, the plane hasn't even taken off yet, so I don't know. Yeah, I don't know when it's gonna take off, but when it does, they better be serving snacks because I'm actually so hungry. Anyways, bye. I'm gonna see you later. Okay, they just came around with the snacks, and it's like, it's actually called, hold on. Sour cream crunchy corn nibbles. Right, nibbles, okay. And then, oh, it's like a little cute lemonade. But let's be honest, seriously, is that it? I'm literally starving. But I think they're gonna serve like lunch pretty soon. So see you then. I don't know what it is. What is it? Okay, they're coming on that side. Oh, she's. It's not for us, is it? She's got that on camera. She did that twice.
Yeah, it's fine. It's not.
She's back.
Would you like chicken or vegetarian?
Oh, can I have chicken, please? Oh, thank you.
Any drinks?
Can I have lemonade, please?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Would you like anything else? Any water?
No, thank you.
Would you like anything to eat?
Food would be fine. The lemonade. Okay. So since we were in India, this is chicken curry. It's a traditional Indian dish. You guys won't understand what it is. Bread? It's in a plastic bag. Okay. But like I'm gonna need butter. I think it's for the bread, yeah. And then a little ration of dessert. That actually looks good. What if it tastes awful? We got our chicken curry. You revealed. Oh, that camera looks so cool. So on the first layer we got some roti. That's how you actually say it, not roti. It's roti. This is the butter chicken. No, butter chicken, chicken curry. Sorry. Wait, I can't lie. That actually looks good. For airplane food, this actually looks good. Okay, now I got chicken curry. Oh, my mom just gave me extra cake. I can't lie, I have to give that like a 9 out of 10. It's actually so good. Yeah. Oh, more cake for brother. You scoop. Yeah, I'm not eating any more of this. Let's read the dessert, the little mini ration cake. It tastes like powdered chocolate. We actually have two. Because my mum gave me one. She's so lovely. She didn't want to eat it. You have the first bite. Sight. No, really. What does Bert think he is? Does Bert think he's doing anything? That's actually so good. A little bit powdery. No, not powdery, like a little artificial. 7 out of 10. It's actually really good. The top part is nice, the cake part, but the chocolate part ain't good. See, when it's dinner time. So basically this was a 9-hour flight, and look how much time we have left. Hold on. Got about 5 hours left, 4 hours and 47 minutes. Oh my gosh. I'm so bored, there's literally nothing to do. And they're not bringing food out either. I'm gonna have to cut that out. I'm gonna have to cut the swear words out. No, look how much time left. We have 2 hours left. Okay guys, I think they're bringing around the dinner now. Guys, I think that's just drinks, bro. When are they actually gonna bring out the dinner? I don't even think they're gonna give it to us. Well, let's wait until they...
One eternity later.
It's like a drink and like a box. It's like something, a box and like a drink. Do you have any lemonade left?
Lemonade, not on here. Give me 5 minutes. I can go and have a look. Do you want some water?
Yeah, just for now. Thank you. Okay, and then we got this like mystery box thing. Baby time. This is what's inside. Okay, we got sea salt rice crackers. Okay. This actually looks good. What is this? Some chocolate bread or something? That looks good. Okay, and then we got fluids. Snacks. I want to try this bread. That smells like, you know, it smells like Play-Doh. That tastes horrendous. 4 out of 5 maybe? No, I mean 4 out of 10. Okay, it's not bad, but the flavor's a little bit odd. She's not even gonna bring my lemonade, is she? I've got nothing. Let's try the rice crackers. 47,000 BC. That doesn't really want to make me try it. Because they didn't have any Sprite left, so they got me Coke.
Flashback.
So I'm gonna break my lemonade this shit.
End of flashback.
It's like little bananas. It tastes like rice. Oh, I get it. It's like a bowl. Okay, guys. So that's the dinner done. So I'll see you later. Bye. So that's the end of this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching. Bye.